Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Rob Griggs.
Well, there are a lot of folks across the country that are sharing maybe a stormy or potentially stormy problematic evening here this Sunday. First of all, up here in the northwest from Wyoming into Montana into the Dakotas, the chance for strong to severe thunderstorms also up here in the northern plains, out here toward the Carolinas and even up toward New England. Some of that stormy weather, but look what's happening in the entire southwest right now. Red flag fire warnings, 104 degrees at the moment right now in Phoenix, and all of this area under that red flag fire warning. Gosh, it's just so dry down there. So we have a lot to be thankful for because it ain't dry where we're at right now. There are pockets of the state right now that are drier than others, but you can see the whole rotation of that low pressure trough that's over the area just continues to bring plenty of water our way. Some of it in the form of thunderstorms, and we're keeping an eye on the strong thunderstorm potential. A flood watch out here from tomorrow morning all the way till Tuesday evening. You know, some parts of the Front Range of the Rockies could see 6 inches of rainfall before this thing's all done. Also a severe thunderstorm watch down here. It's already dropped off. It was including Ekalak and Broadus, but now it's shifted down to northeast Wyoming and out into toward the Dakotas, and of course all kinds of other severe weather warnings out there for North Dakota. You can see right now with the slight risk of strong to severe thunderstorms that reaches across southeast Montana and northern Wyoming. Just to the east of Billings, we have a marginal risk. Right now it looks like just some isolated thunderstorms with very small hail. I think the largest hail I've seen so far on the grid in southeast Montana, nickel size today, and about 50 to 60 mile-an-hour wind gusts at times. Temperatures are like overnight lows, really. 48 right now at Butte, 46 at Dillon, into the 50s elsewhere, and also warms up to the 70s, almost toward 80 degrees. So we have a mixed bag, but you can tell in comparison to 24 hours ago, it is a lot colder right now than it was. 30 degrees colder in Livingston than this time on Saturday afternoon. So that cold front definitely came in and made itself known. Skies showing promise of more showers on again, off again. That's going to be the story. Waves of precipitation coming through. We're at 62 right now with a northeast wind 13 miles an hour. And we've had some rain showers today. 66 has been the high so far. As I say, we've had overnight lows right about there. Normally we should be at 82. 58 the overnight low, so that's closer into average. How much rain? Well, so far since midnight, 707 inches of precipitation. Not a lot, but I think there's a lot more on the way. You can see we're nowhere close to a record today, but there are some chances in the weather that we'll have some significant water between late tonight all the way through tomorrow into Tuesday, and it would help that annual precipitation count. Let's see if we get those numbers up a little bit. Cooler temperatures stick around. The severe thunderstorms shift to the east. Heavy rain expected across the area all the way through tonight into tomorrow, and even into parts of Tuesday before it starts to break up a little bit. Some places could pick up a couple of inches of rain across central and eastern Montana and northern Wyoming. As I say, Billings anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain a possibility by Tuesday. Now tonight we'll have more of those thunderstorms and rain showers. We're looking for lows to be down into the 50s at most places. Then tomorrow there's just a very marginal risk out here of strong to severe weather in extreme eastern Montana. Otherwise, on again, off again, heavy rain showers and thunderstorms and highs not too impressive, the 50s and the 60s. But here's what happens as we march on toward the 4th of July. More heavy rain on Monday, heavy rain showers at times on Tuesday, tapers off Wednesday, 77. Then the sun comes back out. We're back into the 80s. And as we move toward the 4th of July weekend, which for a lot of folks will be starting on Friday, we're back toward 90 degrees with just a very slight risk of a thunderstorm. Lots of sunshine, Casey.
All right. Sounds good for 4th.